As far back as January 2021 is when we saw the previous Buds Pro from Samsung, and with how fast the earbuds market moves, a year and a half later, what can Samsung bring to the round 2 version of the Buds Pro? Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here is our quick hands-on with the Buds 2 Pro and what's new. The Buds 2 Pro follow a similar design to the previous model, but now with a 15% smaller overall footprint, which is all in the name of fit and comfort. In this particular hands-on situation, due to health and safety, we could only fit with the smaller tips, and for my use case, I tend to always use the larger tips for a more secure fit and feel. They do overall fit well, and I do much prefer that they've continued to stick with the stemless design for the true to wireless earbuds, as I do prefer a much more flush look when wearing earbuds. 3 colors are available here in graphite, white, and boral purple, which in this case I will say the black color would be my personal pick. This part will be short and sweet, as due to restrictions we couldn't test the sound of the Buds 2 Pro for now. That being said, there is support for higher 24-bit audio compared to 16-bit audio from before, and the advanced intelligent active noise cancelling ANC and 360 audio with direct multi-channel support. We've been told that the improvements to audio should be noticeable. There is now support for Bluetooth 5.3 and auto switching, and an IPX rating for water resistance up to 1 meter for fresh water for 30 minutes. Audio experiences can be very subjective based on hearing, fit, and personal listening choices, but rest assured, I will give my full take once I have my review unit in hand. The battery capacity is at 61 mAh with the charging case at 515 mAh. Samsung is rating this to have 5 hours with listening time on ANC and 8 hours without ANC. Pricing for the Buds 2 Pro comes in at £229. What's your thoughts on the Buds 2 Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at sammobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications, and we will see you next time.